So I've just told you my amazing story on LinkedIn and you're completely sold. You want to employ me. You're so impressed. And now I'm going to finish with my big, great one-liner, big smile right into the camera, and then pause and look gormless while I turn it off. So, remind you of any LinkedIn videos that you've seen recently? Without any extra training from me, without any extra apps to download onto your phone, there's a really simple way to avoid that problem. So I'm going to show you how. So let's get into our photos here and choose the clip that you want to make the edits to. You'll notice in the top right corner, there's an edit button. So now we've got a little timeline underneath the video clip. There are these tabs that you can trim the beginning and the end of the video. And let's just crop out. So the first part there where I'm looking into the camera, and then at the end, reverse back from the gormless look to the point where I was last looking reasonable. And then you can tap on done. And this is the best bit, because not only can you trim your video, but if you had in mind maybe to make a compilation of the best gormless looks that you've had throughout the year, then you can keep the original clip, or you can just ask it to edit the original clip, and especially if you're wanting to save space on your phone, that's a particularly good idea. So you've got those two options. Choose whichever one you're going to do, and then you'll go back through to your photo library and you'll see that you've got a shorter clip. So I hope that was helpful. It's the end of gormless looks at the end of LinkedIn videos. Remember that few seconds at the beginning when you start recording, you don't want the video to start right on your first word, and neither do you want it to end very abruptly on your last word. So those couple of seconds are crucial. So let me know if that was useful. My name's John Gill and this video was made on a mobile.